Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Melanated Maker. I'm Tachi and we are in the bathroom today. It's probably so echoey in here, but this is the guest bathroom in our house. This is the bathroom right when you enter. And obviously, as you can see, it's very empty in here. And so I have an hour or so until I gotta pick up the kids. So we are gonna do a nice little bathroom refresh. We are gonna spruce things up. At some point, I wanna be able to do like a larger makeover. I want to paint, I want to change the fixtures, the faucet, add hardware, change the lighting. I wanna do all the things, but today, I just have time for a good refresh. Let's go ahead, let's jump into things and let me introduce myself. So like I said, this is Melanated Maker and I am Taji. And I make videos about DIYs and the life lessons that I learned that go beyond the lumber and the power tools. And so if you love DIY, if you're a creative, or if you just like listening to chatty videos and the inner dialogue of a stressed out mom, then you're in the right place. So hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see all the other shenanigans and nonsense that I get into. And so with that, let's just jump into this bathroom because like I said, I got an hour to do things. So let's do some things. This bathroom will go along with the first floor of my house. The decor style is very mid-century modern with a touch of boho, lots of navy blues and browns, little touch of burnt orange, some greens. This bathroom has great cabinets, so we're going to add some touches of gray to kind of help pull it all together in here so that it feels very cohesive as a room by itself, but then also part of the design of the whole house. I'm really excited, and this bathroom is one of the first rooms you enter in the house, so I really wanted to represent kind of an introduction into what the house's design style will be. It's a lot of pressure on this little room, but I think we can do it. So I started by just checking the length of the shower curtain because there have been times in the past where I have set up a whole shower curtain, hang it up, and then I realize it's like barely touching the lip of the tub. And so I ordered this one longer. I know at some point I want to raise the pole for the shower curtain to hang on, but I just wanted to start with something extra long, give me space to eventually pull it up. I love the style of this curtain. It's so boho and I just love the texture and the pattern. It's giving. Okay, I don't know how good the lighting is in this direction, but anyways, I got these prints off of Amazon and I'm trying to decide. I can only fit 2 here and it came with 3, and I think I kind of like these 2 the best because they just got one a little bit more going on, and they both have leaves in it. I mean, I guess this one has a leaf in it, but this one's giving like so low. Like it's just one, it doesn't quite work as well with the other ones. You see that? I don't know. I feel like it should just be these 2. So we're just gonna do those 2 then. So I got this navy blue striped towel at Target, and I love the towel, but I don't know how I feel about it next to this shower curtain. I feel like it's like competing with the curtain and it's not complementing it. It's making the bathroom feel a little confused. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Is this striped towel next to this patterned curtain a vibe? Is it cute? Is it too much? Let me know. I need help. So anyway, I bought this wall decor from Amazon and I really like what it does in this bathroom. I think it really lightens up the space, especially next to the navy blue boho curtains with the leaves and the curves. I think it really just like pulls it all together. I literally just used thumbtacks putting these up. I'm keeping it really simple in here. I originally had these canvases next to each other, but it started to look kind of crowded that way, so I did change them to be kind of staggered, which I really like because I think it kind of draws your eye up in the room, and so I think that worked out well. I bought these really great shelves from Amazon. I love the look. I love how there's a little section for your toilet paper to go because it's the little things, people, okay? And so getting a chance to use a tool, even if it's just this power drill, always feels so good. I'm excited to get back into some bigger projects and something I can sink my teeth into a little bit more. So make sure you're subscribed for that. I'm about to tackle my kids' rooms, and I'm also going to be tackling the garage and setting up my workshop. I want to do a living room tour. So yes, shameless plug to subscribe if you're not already. But yes, really excited for those things. But I wanted to talk a little bit about time. I feel like being a mom, being a wife, working full time, there's always all these things that are constantly pulling me in different directions. But having the time to design and build and create something, it always pulls me back to me. The moms out there, y'all can relate to this. You say you're gonna leave the house in 10 minutes, but then you forget how everyone has to put their shoes on and everyone's gotta make sure their water bottles are full, and they're saying goodbye to their favorite toys. They're packing a backpack full of nonsense. It's just all the things. And especially when you're only making a quick run somewhere. But kids move on their own time. And I've been learning that while it's great to set a goal, like a 1-hour bathroom refresh in this case, but that for most things in life, the stakes are very low. If we get in the car 10 minutes later than we planned, it's fine. I'm practicing giving myself grace and having faith that the things that are for me won't miss me. I feel like I need to say that again. What is for me won't miss me. And so let this be your reminder when you're feeling overwhelmed with your to-do list or a project is inevitably taking longer than you hoped. What is for you will not miss you. The timing is divine. Still plan. Don't think I'm sitting here saying not to plan. But give yourself grace when that plan doesn't always work out like you want it to, that things may not always go to plan, but they still work out. I'm sitting here and I realize that this is not like centered over the toilet, and I hate that for me. So I think what I'm gonna end up having to do, because I don't feel like redoing the anchors and all the things, I think I'm just gonna line this up over here to align with the other side of the toilet. And then it looks maybe a little more intentional, and then I'll do the other one on the bottom. I don't know. This was gonna be an hour refresh. It has now been an hour and 15 minutes. And this is probably gonna end up being a 2-hour refresh, which is on par for me because everything takes twice as long as I think it's going to. But yeah, so we're just gonna do that. We're just gonna keep rolling. That's it. That's all I got. We're just gonna keep rolling. Okay. It is a constant practice to calm my nerves and not stress when things are not on schedule. I really wanted to finish this bathroom in an hour before my kids got home, but did I? No. Was it a problem? No. Did they come in and say hi to me and look around in confusion more times than I felt like was necessary? Of course. But the stakes are low, y'all. Stop stressing, stop rushing. It's all gonna be fine. So I bought these ceramic vases from Amazon, and I love how the terracotta fits in with the wall decor in this bathroom, plus the rest of the first floor design. So after that, I tidied things up, I laid down a rug, and we were done. So let's just remember where we started from. This bathroom was entirely empty, nothing in it, and now I love the way that this bathroom turned out. I think it looks so good. I love the blues, I love the brown, I love how all of the gray came together. Not everything was exactly how I planned, but as we've talked about, that's perfectly fine, and I am still incredibly happy and so excited for all the other projects that I'm gonna do. I have some ideas in this bathroom already in terms of updating faucets and adding hardware, changing the lighting, so really excited to share that with you guys. But that is all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you got some tips, tricks, inspiration, motivation, or you just enjoyed the vibe. I am so excited that you guys are here. please like this video and subscribe. It really helps my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Bye. Yeah? Minding my business. Yeah, what are you doing? Ooh, Paw Patrol.